Yo guys, this next dancer looks my girl Mississippi,
AKA Jessie Shipley.
It's her birthday.
She's turning 21.
So sit back,
Relax,
and
take a drink because you can do that now.
Whoa, Erica, Inca, I'm feeling vibration.
I know, I'm feeling it too. Let me help y'all with this.
Blackstone, baby.
Girl, what you doing?